Hello there. Well, today is 1st of July, and for the first time in my life, I did get so many messages wishing me Happy Doctor's Day. So, practically overwhelmed. That's why I also wanted to say Happy Doctor's Day. And also, I'm here to remind you guys something. So, most of us during 11th, 12th, during our whole lives for some, we see the dream of becoming a doctor. Sometime or other, we have imagined that white coat and the stethoscope. So I do want to remind you guys that it was a vision once. But 11th and 12th, इसमें ना कि सिर्फ biology, but we also have to fight with physics, chemistry. I understand. NEET UG, the terror, yeah, that's true. And then for FMGs, we go to foreign countries. हर country के rules different है, techniques different है, curriculum different है. It's a struggle. And 6 saal, we just get accustomed to their rules, to their everything. We come back, we pass the exam, then we work in hospital. I cannot stress this enough that even though it's a bit challenging, but it's so rewarding. During my childhood, not just childhood, but also my adulthood, like all my life, I just have one doctor, and he's a pediatrician, but I still, visit that doctor. Whenever I have something, it's just that one doctor, and he's like, I'm a pediatrician. But yeah, so when I was a child and I had saline, so rounds hote hain doctors ke, and I mean, he's that sort of personality that just got imprinted in my mind when I was a child. He used to give chocolate also, and he used to ask, how are you feeling, and with so much compassion that it was very endearing at that moment. And that one thing, that one personality, I used to think when I grow up, I want to be someone like him. He's a doctor in my hometown. What I really want to highlight over here is that somewhere in between 11th and 12th, NEET UG, whole MBBS course and passing FMG, and just somewhere in between we lose our vision that we actually wanted to be this. We just go with the flow and we forget that, oh, this is something that we wanted. So this is just a video to remind you guys. So right now it's my ward duty, and I do take rounds like that doctor in my childhood I aspired to be. And the fact that patients looks at you with so much of hope, and it just feels like a huge responsibility that you have to do this. And when you see the patient getting better and better with your each round, it's just very heartwarming, and it is so rewarding. It is worth it. Everything, all the challenges, everything is worth it. And it's just a short video to remind you guys that you wanted this, you chose this. Now be proud to be a doctor, and Happy Doctor's Day!